Fine, this is the 13th problem. Let us solve here. Right. If the simple interest, right, if the simple interest on 12,800 for a period of 2 years is 3,840 rupees, then find the rate of interest per annum. What and all they have given? So they have given the principal. Principal is equal to 12,800. Right. Time they have given, that is 2 years. Right. Then, so R we have to find out rate of interest. They have given simple interest, that is going to be 3,840 rupees. Now we know that simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. Correct. Now simple interest they have given, that is 3,840 is equal to P is 12,800 into T is 2. Correct. And R, that is what we have to find out by 100. Now, so R will become, what happens here, 3,840 into 100 will go this side, and as well as 12,800 into 2. So 2 zeros I'll cancel. Right. You can start working on with 4. So 4 3s are 4 2s are. Right here, let me go with this. 4 9s are 36. 2 4 6 are 4 6 how much? 24 and 0. Then again I can go with the 4. Right. So this will become what? So this is 960 into 960 32 into 2. Right, that divided by. Now again simplify it here. 8, I can directly go with 8. 8 4s are 8 1s are, right, 8 2s are. So it will become 120. Right, 120 divided by 4 into 2. Right. Now you can go with this. So 2 1s are 2 60s are 4 1s are, so 15. So the rate of interest is equal to 15% per annum. This is what the answer is.